Good morning, everyone. Hi, Kalo Carver. Okay. So I just give you a hack again about my routine to lose weight more and delaying my aging. I'm 47 years old, so I just wake up now and I drink
Sorry, mommy.
my warm water. I put little bit salt for my electrolyte. Then nilagyan ko din po siya last night ng cloves for the parasite in our body para mamatay siya. And they have anise and cinnamon. It's help this one to boost our um, immune system. So I drink like this in the morning before I take my coffee. So like this po siya, no? So nandyan na po siya, anti-parasite, electrolyte, cinnamon. It's nice. And the cloves is anti-anti. Then I will drink my coffee. Then actually I like my son make me always do bubbles. And then yan, ganyan lang yung black coffee ko in the morning. I like this. And I put something butter because I'm going 50. So I put my butter like this. So I have a good fat and antioxidant. Well, and for my son drink, he just now also wake up. We wake up like quarter to 10 here in Abu Dhabi. And I make him, gumagawa na naman siya. Ayan po. I'll show you my son.
I like boba.
Yeah. Hi. So, I make him basil seed. And gumawa siya ng coffee, boba tea with the basil seed. And the basil seed is
Like boba.
benefits is antioxidant, digest relief,
Wait, I know it.
anti-inflammation, and respiratory benefit. So, ayan po. Like this. So, meron na po kaming drinks in the morning. Yan po routine namin. This is a low carb baby po. And ayan, drinks niya later. Mommy bring this one later. A cold coffee with basil seed. Oh my God. Okay, we will taste that. And I will drink this one. Wait, give me my coffee. Say hi. Lamig na tuloy ng kape ko. So, actually, I just hi to my client yesterday. Hi, Ma Fatima. Hope you like my massage. Actually, I do activating detoxing massage if they have that disease. Like other client, they have hormonal imbalance and PCOS. I want to address yung mga may sakit po na gusto nyong i-reverse. Meron po tayong massage, detoxing, eye study, acupuncture. So, nakafocus po ako sa meridian points and channels of signals of our energy, lymphatic channels. And I do negative, positive, like example, helping the body to wow, may breakfast na po kami. Ayan po yung thank you, Daddy. Aming breakfast, butter with egg. So, in a empty stomach, we eat no high carbs. So, let's try to do this so that your whole day not nagpa-fluck yung inyong insulin, no? So, it helps na we have knowledge about food. And also, then, balik tayo sa PCOS. So, I do activating massage for disease. So, meron na po tayong reverse dyan. Nagti-thank you po ako kay Ma'am Lina from Jordan na pumalik pa po siya sa akin after 6 months. And ano ba yan? She said, natanggal na po yung maintenance niya after 6 months. So I'm blessed, and ginawa niya po yung work niya to heal self-repairing healing mode. So that's the point of my detoxing massage, to activate the burning mode, adaptation for ketones, healing mode. Kasi po, I do massage, so I know if your body is storage mode. So, walang fats na lumalabas. Kasi po, if you don't know about nutrition or ano yung pinapasok mo, yun din po ang lalabas sa skin nyo. Kaya example po yung like you have allergy, you have a lots of eating of sugar. And the sugar is glucose, starchy food like bread, pasta, rice. If you eat this one a lot, you will be
With egg?
disease soon.
Ha?
Kasi
Ha? With
i-spike
egg?
po yung sugar
Uy.
nyo and tataas po
Uy,
yung
with egg?
Yeah.
insulin resistance nyo, and papasok po doon yung glycation. Glycation means
No.
pinabibilis niya yung fast aging. Kasi ang trabaho ni sugar is pabilisin yung aging. So may reverse po
One?
tayo. No? So we need to
I will remove the egg. I will remove the red.
understand
Huh?
the basic of macronutrient. Aralin po natin. We have 3 energy.
What's Jen?
Carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Yeah, eat ka ng butter. You can eat also cheese. And then, we have fats. So, nalilito tayo about fat. They have good fat and bad fat. Actually, kaya tayo nagkakasakit, like,
What's Jen?
kidney stone or gallbladder stone or fatty liver. Pag nag-combine po yung carbohydrates and bad fat, like omega-6, yung mga ginagamit natin na canola oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, this is a bad fat. Nag-combine po yung dalawa, i-inflammation po yung katawan natin, and you have already sick.
Oh my God.
And in decades, 5 years, 10 years, you have already diabetes and hypertension, cancer. And may reverse po tayo niyan. And if you know about low carb, you need to understand our body that nag-heal po ang ating katawan naturally. If you know the low carb food, you need to low the inflammation, and your body will be correct appetite, delay aging, your body balance, and you look young. Yun po ang goal natin. And the protein is the amino acid. It's a basal blocks. So we need almost half kilo meat a day, because 75 grams a day ang protein natin to get all nutrition. Because this is the for the hemoglobin, for the tissue, muscle, brain, skin, hair, and nails. So, kinukuha po yung mga protein na yun. And, kailangan natin yung i-maintain. Because when you are 60, 70, 80, you have deposit. Then, mag-exercise ka, syempre. And you need also, because exercise is toning your muscle. And dun papasok po yung burning mode. So, in 48 hours, activating na po yung burning mode if you do the proper routine and change lifestyle. This is a discipline. And like me, I'm 85 kilo last year, and now I'm 62 na po. And I lost 2 kilo this December. Yeah. So, kahit na minsan napapadapa ako, I know my body if ketones or keto flu. So, explain ko po about the keto flu. Next time, if your body kasi kayong keto flu po, yung acetone mo lumalabas. It's natural po for burning mode. Sometimes you feel smelly. Yun po, nagbe-burning mode yung katawan mo. Lalo na po pag after 2 weeks, nag-fasting ka na. and your body going healing and low inflammation and like example fatty liver, may taas ang uric acid nyo. It's normal po mataas ang cholesterol and uric acid.
Mm.
Basta po walang inflammation. I mean to say, example, kumain ka ng bulalo, it's okay. This is collagen, niacin, and
No.
protein. High in
I will not
protein.
eat.
Lalo na po sa mga
No,
payat,
makakagatin
yung
ka.
mga matatanda na
May oil yan, may oil. May oil.
you don't have muscles, they need this.
Cook in
Kasi
oil.
nagpa-muscle waste po ang mga matatanda. So, hindi nila alam kung ano yung kakainin nila. And
This is oil, oh. Oil,
it's
this
health
oil.
din po na we need to eat good fat.
Wow.
So,
Kulit naman
they have,
talaga.
like a good fat is avocado,
Magtatay siya.
coconut meat,
Hey,
yan,
it's dyan.
and
Ikaw, oh.
yung mga oil po, yung mga ghee, butter,
Busin
olive
mo.
oil,
Busin mo, busin mo.
macadamia oil,
Can you give him pet foods?
macadamia
Yeah,
oil,
oil,
avocado
oil.
oil, and the best in our Philippines is coconut oil. So, let's eat this food and you will see your body will be healed naturally. And ingat po tayo and stay local po. I love you all. Happy holiday. Bye-bye. See you for next info.
Dad!